Hello, amazing learners. Welcome to Grade 5 English on Learner's Gain. Have you ever read a story and found a word you didn't know? You might have paused to look it up or skipped it. But wait. Authors give clues around difficult words. These helpful hints are called context clues. Context clues help you discover the meaning of tricky words. Today, we will be vocabulary detectives. We'll learn 5 types of context clues: definition clues, synonym clues, antonym clues, example clues, and inference clues. Let's dive in. 1. Definition clues. A definition clue explains an unfamiliar word directly. Sometimes it appears right after the word or within commas. Consider this sentence. The Arctic, a very cold region, is home to polar bears. Here, a very cold region defines Arctic. So, Arctic means a very cold part of our planet. Another example is, a glacier, a huge mass of slowly moving ice, covered the valley. The phrase defines glacier as a huge mass of ice. Look for phrases like is, means, or refers to spot definition clues. 2. Synonym clues. A synonym is a word with a similar meaning. A synonym clue places a familiar word near the unclear one. For example, the lake was serene, calm, and peaceful. Here, serene means calm and peaceful. Listen to this. The fragile vase was delicate and easy to break. Delicate helps us know. Fragile means easy to damage. Look for words that share the same idea. 3. Antonym clues. An antonym is a word with the opposite meaning. An antonym clue uses an opposite idea for clarification. For example, unlike his timid sister, Marco was bold and confident. The word unlike indicates that timid means the opposite of bold. Therefore, timid implies shy or nervous. Check out this example. The room was chaotic, not calm or organized at all. Here, not calm indicates chaotic means messy or confusing. Look for signal words like unlike or not. 4. Example clues. Example clues list familiar examples to clarify a word. For instance, many rodents, such as mice, rats, and squirrels, live near forests. Mice and rats help us understand rodents. Another example is, reptiles, including snakes, lizards, and turtles, often live in warm places. These examples clarify what reptiles are. Watch for phrases like such as or for example to find them. 5. Inference clues. Inference clues require us to think critically. They don't define the word directly. Instead, we use surrounding hints with our own knowledge. For example, after running the marathon, Lila felt exhausted and could barely stand. We understand exhausted means very tired. Another example, the massive elephant towered over the small calf. The elephant is compared with a small calf, and the word towered suggests great height. We can infer that massive means extremely large. Inference clues require us to ask, what is happening? How does the person, animal, or object behave? What meaning would make sense in the sentence? Let's practice. Identify the type of context clue in these sentences. Number 1. The desert is arid, dry, and without much rain. This is a definition clue. Arid means extremely dry. Number 2. The ancient ruins were old and crumbling. This is a synonym clue. Ancient means very old. Number 3. The puppy was energetic, unlike the tired older dog. This is an antonym clue. Energetic means active and full of energy. Number 4. Musical instruments, such as guitars, drums, and pianos, produce different sounds. The guitars, drums, and pianos are examples of musical instruments. This is an example clue. Number 5. The generous girl shared all her snacks. The sentence does not directly define generous. However, sharing her snacks shows kindness and a willingness to give. This is an inference clue. Generous means willing to share. Great job. Vocabulary, detective strategy. When facing an unfamiliar word, don't panic. Follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Read the entire sentence. Step 2. Read surrounding sentences. Step 3. Look for definitions, synonyms, antonyms, or examples. Step 4. Use the clues with your knowledge to guess. Step 5. Replace the word with your guess and reread the sentence. Replace the unfamiliar word with your guessed meaning. Then read the sentence again. Does the sentence still make sense? If it makes sense, your guess is likely correct. Passage challenge. Listen closely. During the drought, water became scarce. What does scarce mean? The clues show limited water is available. Scarce means limited or hard to find. Which type of clue helped us? This is an inference clue. Now, listen to this. The nocturnal owl, which hunts at night. What does nocturnal mean? The phrase helps us see that nocturnal means active at night. One last one. The portable radio was light enough to be carried anywhere. What does portable mean? Carried anywhere explains portable means easy to move. Quick quiz. What do definition clues do? They explain the unfamiliar word. What do synonym clues provide? A similar meaning word. What about antonym clues? They give the opposite meaning. The terrain was rugged, rough, and uneven. Which context clue type is used? A synonym clue. Rough and uneven help explain rugged. The room was silent, not noisy at all. Which context clue type is used? This is an antonym clue. Not noisy helps explain silent. Which phrases introduce example clues? You may pause the video answer. They are, such as for example, and including. What do inference clues require? Logical thinking, surrounding clues, and background knowledge. Today, we learned context clues help us understand unfamiliar words. Definition clues explain a word directly. Synonym clues give similar meaning. Antonym clues show opposite meanings. Example clues list familiar examples. Inference clues need logical thinking. Next time you find a tricky word, be a vocabulary detective. Look for clues, make an inference, and check your answer. Using context clues improves your reading. Thank you for learning with us on Learner's Gain. For more engaging lessons, visit you.learnersgain.com. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Learner's Gain. Learner's Gain. Learning made fun and simple. See you in the next lesson.